is focused on your name.
Right.
I mean, the last election pretty clearly was based not on what people knew about candidates, but what the names were. I mean, there seems to be some fairly good evidence out there that people voted for Irish-sounding last names. And
Right.
you have an Irish-sounding last name, and you have the last name that's the same as a sitting Supreme Court justice. Is that going to confuse people? Does that give you an edge in this race over anything that may qualify you to be a Supreme Court justice?
I don't know if it does or doesn't. I do acknowledge the possibility of confusion, but of course that can cut both ways. Justice Terrence O'Donnell has, I think, a pretty good reputation. If I'm wrong on that, then somebody should tell me. If his reputation somehow rubs off on me in a good way, then I accept that, but we'll have to try to live up to it as well. On the other hand, I do want to appeal to all constituencies, but as you know, I'm endorsed by the Democratic Party, and I may have some work to do to educate what should be a block of voters who are firmly in my camp that I am not from Justice Terrence O'Donnell's political party. So I think I do acknowledge that there could be a benefit. If there is, then frankly I gladly accept it because I do think I'm qualified otherwise. If there is a detriment, I'll try to overcome it. I will say this, that I am not running strictly on, well, I should say strictly on his name. Of course, I'm running on my own name, but I'm running on my own record and qualifications as well.
You're not related.
I am not. I know him, but no, we're not related.
Okay. We haven't done the ancestry.com check of that.
Well, right.
Mark, I'm afraid I have to.
I'm done.
Okay.
Anything else you want to add?
No, I appreciate your time coming down here. And like I said, I'm going to try to keep it as boring as possible.